Alright. I do some close-up magic.
Nice.
Hide in my, hide in my. I can hear. Can everyone see? I'm going to be down here.
I can't see.
No. Ace of spades.
He hasn't got a deal myself.
Instruction card.
I'm going to need a volunteer.
It's Charlie.
Alright. I'm going to get my volunteer to choose a card.
It's a plan.
Obama's
Radish.
No! He's going to try
Oh, that one?
to the left.
Don't be an eggplant. Take two.
You may show the audience your card. You don't have to, but it's not as fun if you don't.
It's an ace of hearts. All the cards.
Does everyone know the selection?
Yes.
Yes. Alright. I'd like you to say stop wherever you like.
Charlie, show the couch. Thanks.
Say stop wherever you like.
Stop wherever you like.
And this is why we don't choose Charlie as a volunteer. Alright. Everyone memorize the selection?
No.
Yes.
Did you memorize both sides?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to get Charlie to take about half the deck of cards and put the other half there.
Not half.
The other half.
That's
27.
Great. Now I'm going to get Charlie to choose if he would like the top half or the bottom half. The top half? We use the top half. You take the bottom half. Cool. Now I'm going to arrange the cards like so. This is a magical ritual. Now Charlie's going to make several choices. You may now choose two of these piles, any two you like.
Top left, bottom right.
Top left, bottom right.
Nah, my left, your right.
Top left, bottom right. Top left, bottom right.
Yeah.
Okay. And keep those. Now I'd like you to choose one of these piles.
That one.
This one. Now I'd like you to choose these two or these two.
These two.
Okay. Now I'd like you to choose this card or this card. Now, everyone, on three, what was the card?
Seven cards.
On three. 1, 2, 3. Turn it over.
Oh fuck, no way.
One.
I still don't know how you did that.
I would like another volunteer for a second trick.
What?
What? Becky, get up.
Ellie.
Allie?
It's a biz. It's a biz.
Biz. Welcome. Last time, I'm going to get, sorry, Biz. Everyone welcome Biz! Could you put your drink down? Thank you. I don't want to do this. I would like you to take out. Sit down. That was okay. You can show everyone your selection. I didn't say it. Okay, are you hiding the card? Okay. Place it back there. So that was your selection?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to put it in the middle. Close the pack up. Now I'd like you to snap your fingers as loud as you can. Everyone snap. 3, 2, 1. And the card jumps to the top. So that was your card, ace of clubs. I'd like you to hold your hand up like that. Okay, and take your card. Put it there. Put your other hand on top. Now, there's no way I can get to that, right? the next card. It's a queen. And all if I do is I rub there, get the card.